having data to support those decisions dramatically reduces the risk of making a bad investment decision.
So can you give me like the most common thing that happens with businesses when they don't make empirical decisions? What's the most common mistake that's made with like a gut feel and not data?
So one example is a business owner would have people come into, like managers and people in the organization coming into the office and saying, I think we should invest more in X, we should sell more of this product, we should move into this area and sell more to that customer. And before, they'd have to kind of trust that person knew what they were talking about, that they had kind of looked enough into the situation that was a worthwhile venture. But fast forward to the future where they've put some data around their sales and their processes and what customers make what money. Now they can go and look at a profitability analysis for each customer, each product, each region, and then start to bring that into the real decision making. So no longer are we trusting people's gut feel, who they could have been in the company, they could be right, but they could also be in the company for 5 minutes and just be really passionate about someone, or knew that this works somewhere else. So it doesn't necessarily mean it's going to work here. But people are spending, that business owner that I was talking about might spend 50 grand investing in that one product or that one market. So rather than playing with that sort of money, now we can make some intelligent investment decisions on who do we market to, when and why. How do we actually, do we staff up to resource that area? How hard do we actually go? Because it could be really profitable and then you don't want to underdo it. So making those empirical decisions makes it a lot clearer. There's still room for ambiguity, but it just removes a lot of those problems.
Can you summarize that in one sentence as well for people, like what you just said? I know you said a lot. Yeah. Like, how would you take that down in one sentence?
So relying on the gut feel of yourself or others is risky because you could spend thousands. Having data to support those decisions dramatically reduces the risk of making a bad investment decision.
Yeah, so there is a balance there as well. Like, it's not just make decisions only on data. There is a human element in there still.
Absolutely.